Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. In the last class, we were discussing about tokens in Python. Let us see comments in Python. Comments begin with hash symbol. Normally, we used to give comments between the lines in a program for understanding purpose. The lines that begin with hash are considered as comments and are ignored by the Python interpreter. It may be single line comment or multi-line comment. You can see this example. If you want to give a single line comment, you start with hash symbol. If you want to give multi-line comment, that should be enclosed within set of hash symbol. The next one, escape sequence. In Python strings, the backslash, it is a special character also called as escape character. Normally, when you type a text, if you want to give space in between, you will be using tab key. If you want to start a new paragraph, you will be using enter key. While displaying the result, if you want to have space or in the next line, you have to use backslash P for tab, backslash N for new line, and backslash R for arrange return. You see this example, it's raining. If you want to print this statement, in the string, you have one single quote here. Single quote, double quotes, triple quotes are for string. In between the string, you have a quote here. If you want to print this also, this escape sequence should be used so that you will get the result like this. The next one, data types. These are the fundamental data types you have in Python. Tuples, list, sets and dictionaries. We'll be discussing in the forthcoming chapters. In this class, we'll see numerical data type, Boolean, and string data type. Already we discussed, children, numerical data type, number data type. In this you have integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers. Under numerical data type, integers are nothing but whole numbers, floating point numbers, decimal numbers and complex numbers. Again, under integer data type, whole numbers, you have these representations: octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Decimal integers, for example, 102, 4, 5, 6, 7, these numbers are decimal integers. If you are going to assign these things to a variable, these comes under decimal integers. If you want to assign octal integer, that should be represented by either capital O or small o. Octal integer use O. So this is example. For representing hexadecimal integers, X we have to use. And the other one, L, capital L, for long decimal integers. Decimal integers you know. Along with that, you can add capital L, only uppercase children, only capital L you will use to denote a long integer. About long integer, short integers will be discussing later. It is nothing but it will change the memory. If you are going to declare as short integer, the memory allocation will be smaller than the long decimal integer. The next one, floating point. Floating point is nothing but decimal numbers. It is represented by a sequence of decimal digits that includes a decimal point. You can see examples here, 123.34. So, floating point data. The next one, exponent. This is example for exponent. 12.E04. Either capital E or small e you can use to represent the exponent data. It is nothing but 12 into 10 power 4. So such data can be represented like this, capital E or small e. Next one, complex number. It will have a real part and imaginary part. This is example for complex number, and complex numbers can also be assigned to a variable in Python. The next one, Boolean data type. Already we discussed Boolean data will have only two values, either true or false. You can assign true to a variable, you can assign false to a variable. The next one, string data type. String that can be enclosed within single quote or double quote or triple quote. You can see example here, A within single quote. This is character literal actually. Set of characters within double quotes. It is another type. If you want to have multi-line data like this, that should be enclosed within triple quotes. So, these are the data types you have. Number data type, Boolean and string. Tuples, lists, sets and dictionaries will be dealt later. We'll see in the next class, children.